Hello, are we live? I think we are live. All right. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean some data. Okay. So let's open up QGIS and let's check human impact per diocese. I downloaded this from Esri. Someone by the name of, I think it was Miss Molly Burnham's, provided it for us. Let's try to extract it again. So okay, let's replace those files so it's from its original source. And here we have the shape file. It has the shape of all of the dioceses in the world. Not the diocese of the world. It's actually incorrectly named. It's all of the administrative ecclesiastical regions. So apostolic novitiates, such as the one in Puerto Princesa, are also included. Vicariate apostolic, vicariates. And so we'll just isolate all of the Filipino ones here. This allows us to edit. We select the inverse and then we delete, leaving only the ones in the Philippines. Note that when you're using QGIS, it actually edits the file itself. So that's why I had a backup zipped up. Okay. Now, through my exploration of this shapefile, I found out that this shapefile is actually incomplete and actually incorrect at some places. For example, it doesn't have the Apostolic Vicariate of Batanes here. Batanes. Anyways, it doesn't have Batanes. It also doesn't have Holo, as far as I know. Holo. Let's try to go to J. Oh, it actually has Holo. Huh. Over here. As you can see, it's not as detailed as one could wish. Holo. So the reason why having the shape file is important instead of the administrative regions of the Philippines, the regular political maps that we use, is because the diocesan boundaries differ from the administrative political regions of the Philippines. So, for example, the Diocese of Malolos kind of juts into Manila. I think it takes over parts or even the whole of Valenzuela, if I'm not mistaken. Look, San Fernando as well. Although I think San Fernando is really in the Philippines. One of the mistakes here that I found is this part. Actually, these parts. Bayombong, the Diocese of Bayombong, is not next to the territorial prelature. This is also wrong. So it's supposed to be prelature. Prelature of Isabela. Isabela, the territorial prelature, is supposed to be all the way down here. If you search it, territorial prelature of Isabela. Vicar of Batanes. Prelature. The prelature, the Batanes is also a prelature. As you can see here, the territorial prelature of Isabela is not in Isabela province. Instead, it is in autonomous in the Arm region in Mindanao, very far. That's why I thought I was thinking about Holo. when I was thinking about missing pieces. Isabela is not supposed to be there in here. And in fact, these are not supposed to be separate. This corresponds to the province of Quirino. This corresponds to the province of Nueva Vizcaya. And if you look for the diocese of Bayombong, Bayombog, my apologies, under Claretian Communications, you see that it comprises of the civil provinces of Nueva Vizcaya and Quirino. So the shapefile is wrong, but we could easily remedy that using geometry tools, geoprocessing, dissolve, save the file, select the features only, and we run. That didn't work. Oh no. I think that's because I didn't. Vector. How embarrassing. Selected features only run. There you go. There you go. But now you have this and you have this. What you do is you simply oh sorry, my apologies. You simply merge these two. Bayombong. Simply delete that. Actually no. Let's not save. As you can see, it correctly flattened it out to just Bayombong. Bayombong or Bayombong? Oh boy, it's even wrong here. Ah, it's Bayombong, yes. Mea culpa. Bayombong. Okay. We should be selecting this one. There you go. Let's select these two. There they are, Bayombong, Isabela, and then delete, and then here, and then I think vector analysis tool, geometry, data management, geoprocessing. Actually, I'll check it. Features. Combining features in QGIS. I did this a while ago. I am supposed to just be doing it. Processing and then toolbox. And then merge vector layers. There you go. Processing, toolbox, merge vector layers. Destination, input layers. Where's the input layers? Dissolved and human. There you are. So, fixed. Although we still don't have Isabela, and so it's still registered as Holo, and we don't have Batanes. It's not even. These are the Babuyan Islands under Tuguegarao, but Batanes is supposed to be here. So, given that this is the only shapefile that we have. Unless, we try to make our own shapefile by getting the municipality shapefile, then adding Batanes manually there. But that's a lot of work, honey. Villager Batanes. Babuyanes is ceded to the Archdiocese of Province of Batanes. Actually, let's see. Provinces of the Philippines. Shapefile. I believe that Sir gave us a shapefile. Let's see it. Philippines. Alright. Ooh. Shape. And does it have... It has Batanes. It does. Alright. Okay. Now we're talking. It's also much clearer. Much clearer. Basilan, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Prelature of Isabela. Let's check that. Prelature of Isabela. Okay, so still cleaning, you know. I love the Basilan, Prelature of Isabela de Basilan, comprises of the entire province of Basilan and cities of Isabela and Lamitan. Okay, I don't think the shapefile cuts through provinces. It only does so in civil province of Basilan and the cities of Isabela. I'm not sure Coral Reef. We're alright. We're going to have to try to do something here. Let's try to make our own, like cut it out, like save the new layer, merge layer, package layer, export layer, information. Vector, difference, intersection, eliminate selected polygons. Okay, we've selected, I'm not sure. Okay. And then invert. Actually, let's Batanes and Basilan, and then let's invert and then delete. Oops. And then, you know, just for safe measure, we're gonna duplicate merged. And we're gonna merge these two. Merge vector layers, input layers, Philippines, and merged, run. Okay. What is this? It's still under Zamboanga. This is still under Hulu. Or is it? Email deployed. Does this one at least register as It registers as Batanes. I'm gonna manually write the name. Is this it? I can do that. Batanes. And what's number 45 then? Yes. And Isabela. And then we save that. And how many do we have? 84. In here, we have a total of 87. So that's 3 more missing prelatures, most probably. I don't think the shapefile would miss out dioceses. The military ordinariate of the Philippines doesn't have any location for them. Okay, at least we got at least we added two and modified this. Such a bummer for those 3. I'll put those kind of limitations in the paper. Let's take them out. But now we do something just as exciting. We clean some data. Alright, so the dataset that we have was manually encoded by myself. It's from this website called catharchierarchy.com, which sources a lot, or actually virtually all of the data that I got from this thing called let's go church data, from this thing called from Annuario Pontificio, which is set working directory, which is basically a statistical handbook for the year published by the Vatican. So let's go church files, morning message, diocesedata.cv. Let's clean this up. Read CSV. .csv. And let's put it to diop data. So diop data is a little bit messy. It's got a lot of information, and that information sometimes isn't even rendered properly. So sometimes the percent Catholic is a string, or sometimes the priest is a string. So we can check that. What's the function again? Checking file type in data frame. It's not type. I know it starts with an S. df. Fine, this would work, I think. No, this isn't data frame, file type, or my apologies. I thought ls. There you go. It has an S. We have to fix this. ls type data. So we're just doing it from scratch. It doesn't say what type it is. I apologize. Class there, str. There you are. That's what I was looking for. str diop data. So it's supposed to be a character, yes. There are no permanent beacons. Catholics per priest is also a character. Percent Catholic is a character, that's good. Catholics, okay. Yeah. We just have to clean this now. So, what do we need? We don't need a year anymore. We actually don't need the diocese Latin name either. So, we're gonna go 1, 2. The total number of Catholic. We're gonna rename these as well. Total population, percent Catholic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We still need the number of diocesan priests. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We don't need the number of permanent deacons. 10. Male and female religious is not isn't needed either. 12. Number of parishes is definitely needed. Link. These originally had links to them, like hypertext, but 13, 14. Common name, that's needed in order to link these two. Jurisdiction type, not needed right now. Province, also not needed for this 15, 16, 17. Okay, so it has the common name, it has the parishes, Catholics per priest, total priests, diocesan priests, total population Catholics. Okay, so let's just and dioc data. So what do we have? We have the total Catholic population. So let's try to, I think it is column names. Is it column names or call names? Call names. Call names? Call names are, yes, I think it is call names. Call names. We have Cath Pop. Let's standardize these. Total Pop. Tot Pop. Let's hope these work. Percent Cath is computed. I think I've computed it beforehand. Percent Cath is Catholic density. Percent Cath diocesan priest, I think, is priests D and then priests R. There will always be more diocesan priests than there are religious priests, because there can't be a diocese without any diocesan priest. Total priest, I've also calculated that beforehand. Total tot priest pop. I think it's also available in the Anwario. They did it themselves. Anwario. Priest pop. Catholics per priest. That I had. Catholics per priest calculated. Pop, priest pop. Parishes, I think is just parishes here. Parishes, yes. And then instead of Kelman name, we'll just put name. No. Okay. No. Oh boy. Sorry. It's got 86 observations. Change column names. Change column names in R. Well, at least, you know, you could see the process unfold in real time. Call names. Call names. Ah, you're supposed to. Okay. Alright. Call names. Oh boy. Oh boy. Call names. Okay. We've got Cath Pop, Tot Pop, parishes, priests. The priests are square kilometers will be found here, and Pop D is going to be used in chapter 3. So we have Arcath, we have priest pop, we have Arcath per priest. We don't have yet the ratio, so how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to just make a new priests. The priests are diok data priest. It's not no. It's priests are priests are divided by priests D. A lot of it is NA because there are a lot of places wherein there's no diocese. There's no religious priests rather. So that's going to be ratio. We have there. Oh boy, that's incorrect. Arcath priest pop. Arcath priest. Why is it name? It's supposed to be parish. Parishes. And mea culpa. And then this is just for now. But you don't need that because it's going to be added anyway. Okay. Alright. Cleaning data. My favorite part of stat. Okay, so we've got our priests, the R. Priest pop per cath. I don't think we have that. Yeah, priest. Cath priest. R cath priest. Catholics. Number of Catholics per priest. Number of priests per parish is not. And the square kilometers is coming soon. So our priest parish. Oh, sorry. Our priest's parish is number of priests per parish. Parishes. So why is there NAs here? There has to be some priest. Oh, it's just priest. I think it's supposed to be priest total, tot priest, priest pop rather, priest pop. There you go, priest parish. Lots of twos. The outlier here is I believe Paranaque. There you go, Paranaque. Okay, let's. Oh fudge! I forgot how to export the CSV. Export CSV. R. Export data frame in R. Write CSV. Okay. Write CSV. Write CSV. Let's see if this works. And will it be saved to church files? Oh no, it's like diop.data. No. Data frame. After I'm through with this, I'm going to just permission denied. Can't they just like not open? It's somewhere here, surely. No. Diop data. I did this. I did this a long time ago. I should be able to do it again. Let's try this one. See, it's a work in progress. Oh man. If I did it already, I should be able to do it again. Still permission denied. Ugh. Diok data. Can I just like copy this and then make it a CSV file? That's the kind of new save as. diocdata.csv. Let's see if it works. Diocdata read. Well, okay, so we got that. We have the merged ones. I still want to figure out which ones are missing. So how many are these again? Dex. Do with class. So there's 86 observations. But here there's only 84, so 2 are missing. We have to take out which one it is? It's the military ordinateur, because that doesn't have a location in and of itself. And just one. It's probably one of those prelatures. Oh man, so annoying. Just one. Okay, so how are we gonna go about this? We're gonna go about this by getting a data source, delimited text, so CSV file, and dioc data, the newest one. Yeah, the newest one, just now. So no coordinates, just CSV file, decimal, nope, name, Alaminos, Katamaran. And you got here, go get her, girl. So we get merged. It's still, we're gonna save that. I'm gonna save merged. But what we're gonna do, I think it's already saved. It's saved, right? Done editing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna join. We're gonna join dioc data with the name. And why is this a thing? Influence. I think we got the wrong dioc data. My apologies. Move layer. What did we write? Dioc data. Church files, and it's dioc data. Just let's see dioc data. Yeah, it's just this one. So once we join them, let's add them. Dioc data name. Oh boy, it's from here. Okay, so we're gonna have to clean this up too, because look at this mess. What are we gonna delete? We're gonna have to delete object ID. It's not really needed. Object ID, square miles, since we have square kilometers anyways. Year of data, it's all 2016, but it's still brand new because there hasn't been any new dioceses since 2008. I think Cubao is the newest. We already have these. We don't need the names of the parish priest. We don't need these. Shape area, we definitely do need these. Object ID, and these are province code, region code. well, they're nice to have. I think actually no object dices type shape path. These are very scary to kind of. The other ones, these are very scary to take off. Shape area order, no. The order is just shape area doesn't have anything. Shape lens doesn't have anything. A1, but it's a path layer. Order is just the order of the parish priest. Okay, my apologies. So order. Okay, so we got that. We got that done. We are going to. Oh man. By doing that, I'm not sure if it's going to affect the way that the shapefile is read because I haven't done that before. But let's see. You know. So name to name. Apply. And let's see whether it is fixed. Okay, alright. We have to check things like Paranaque. There you go. It's all null because of that enye. So we have to change it to enye. Yes. By changing it to Paranaque, it's supposed to join. It's supposed to change again. Merge. Apply. It's supposed to. Paranaque. This also caused me a lot of headache. There you go. It's up. Nice. Am I still here? Yeah. Still. Paranaque. No. Laminos. Caloocan. Imus. It's a miracle that the names that only Paranaque was kind of affected. Okay, so we got that merged, and this is actually where you could do your chloropath, where you could do your maps. So symbology. Graduated, for example. Oh no. Diocese data parish prop. They don't read the other. This is also another problem with Diok, with the data sometimes. It has the incorrect file type. I think it's here, properties. It's gonna come out as string, isn't it? Yeah. It says text. This didn't happen before. Now why is that? Could it be because there are that maybe, but Cathpop doesn't have it, and it was rendered as text, even though in R, let's see. It's a character in R, so that's weird. It's even an integer here. Oh, character as in string. I'm sorry, I'm dumb. Alright, sige, let's. Okay, what are we gonna do? What we're gonna do is we're gonna replace. Okay, Okay, cleaning the data. Cleaning the data. Oh boy. What time is it? It's 3:41. So what needs to be changed? Tot pop or Cath priest. You know, we can just take out our Cath. And then Arcath. We can't take out Tot Pop. Why is Tot Pop so low? Is it low? No, it's just Cath Pop looks kinda high. Okay. We can take Arcath Priest, which is just the rate of Catholics per priest. We can just recompute that. Oh, good grief! I'm sorry. So Diok data. Diok data are Cath priest, number of Catholics per priest, right? Are Cath priest is equal to total do we have the total number of Catholics? Cath pop over priest pop. There you go. And our Cath is Cath pop over Tot pop. The problem is Tot pop is a character, so you have to change Tot pop first. Oh, data cleaning, my favorite. Ooh, Tot pop. Tot pop. Now, how are we gonna get? I know that we have to do this as string, but we also have to take out the comma first. Actually, let's see if it works. Nope. No, there's nothing. Oh no, as numeric rather. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay. Take out string in R. Take out str replace. No, I wanna use the base. I don't want to download any more libraries. Remove. I don't want to download any more libraries. Gsub. Gsub. My string. We're gonna do this. There you go. As numeric. Yes, this is probably the military ordinate. Actually, let's take it out already, since it's not gonna be part. So as numeric is Tot pop. And now let us see Diok data. So it's a number, it's an integer. The only thing that's here that's a character is the name. CSV. And we'll just copy and paste this. I think row names false would be good. Okay, at least you could see me as I am. Oh boy. This should be more streamlined. At least it's working. It's working slow but steady. Wins the race, right? So diac data. Open with Notepad. Can I open it? There you go. And let's delete this. Embarrassing. And let's get it again. Delimited. Diac data. That's it. Properties. It's still text. It's still text, mama. Mother, it's still text. What happened? Diac data. What did I change? What did I do? We're in church files, right? SDA. Diac data. And they're integers already. Come on. Give me something. Give me... You know what, let's just save as a new one. It's not... Diac underscore data. And then we got diac underscore data. First record field type to tech field type. It's not polar coordinates, it's just attribute table. And let's see. Still text. Still text. It's a Q string. What does that mean? How was the one a while ago good, but now it's not? Q string. Oh boy, this was supposed to be easy because I did it already. Now it's now for some reason more difficult. Right, CSV diac data. Diac data. When I try to do things like, example, join, it's ABC, it's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, these three. What happened? Let's see. Let's delete this again. Remove layer. Let's data source. CSV. Dialog data, the new one. Detect field types. Number of header links. Discard empty fields. Why did it work a while ago, but now it doesn't? Okay, QGIS CSV file. CSV file not detecting data type. Add layer, upload. No, this doesn't answer my questions. How to specify data type in CSV. This one has also, because I encountered this problem before, like you have to make a CSVT file, whatever that means. That's too much. It's a TST. Maybe I should have saved it as a CSV. CSV. Still the way it is. Okay, remove layer, data source manager, CSV, add, properties, and still text. Why is it QString? Type QGIS, type QString. Stores metadata. Why is this an integer? I think they're all of them, like, it says numeric, integer, even the integer count is. I did this before. I don't know why. I don't know why it's suddenly not working anymore. How long have I been doing this? This was supposed to be just like a little bit of a run through, a tutorial, but now it's a whole thing. Something that I thought that was, I mean, I already did it. Create layer, new, add layer, delimited text file, it's a CSV, so the newest CSV. Detect first record has field names. First record has field names. Detect field types. subset index. Let's try to add. I already made this a thing. We're so close. It's still just text. Alright, no. I could just do everything in R. That would be okay. I'm not bitter. We export this, save feature as Esri shapefile. Yeah. Let's call it diok shape. So take note of the CRS. Resize, no. Okay. Vector failed. Permission denied. Oh no. Why not? File name in SDA church files. Diok shape. There you are. We're doing everything in R now. Oh, sorry. That means we're gonna install some packages, right? I did. What? Did it delete the thing? Oh boy. Oh boy, I think it did. I think I accidentally deleted it. It wasn't even a thing. Other file. No. Oh no. Anyways, we've got the files that we need anyways. So I mean, let's check. So how do you load up a shapefile here? So I think the working directory is doing well. Polygon. And I originally just did the diocese of the diocese under the zone, but now it's okay. It's okay. So diok shape. It's a shape file. Diok shape. Reads shape spatial. It might be from map tools or spatstat. It's probably spatstat. Oh, it's not from spatstat. Map tools. There you are. And let's plot polygon. Look at that. Work. So how do we make chloropath maps? Well, you use G-score. It's in the SF format though, another type of format. And this is a large spatial polygon data frame. Large spatial polygon data frame. Why didn't this work? This works. Gumana to dati. You gotta believe me. You saw the map, right? We saw the map a while ago. It already had the information. In fact, let's check Luzon diocese. Luzon diocese, the shapefile, the one that I made. See, it has it. It has the names aren't as good, but like I was already able to make. For example, I think this is Dices one is Cathpop. So classify and apply. And look at that! It's a chloropath, easy as that. But how come I couldn't do that anymore? It's 4 o'clock. Anyways, change column, change type and a feature in QGIS. Edit type. Makes me want to cry, kind of. But yeah, after doing that, we're supposed to. You can actually isolate. So, for example, later I'm gonna be using the diocese of ayan, Buangan. I don't have to use this actually, because I think the diocese of Buangan perfectly lines up with the province of Eastern Samar, and thus Eastern Samar is the shapefile for Eastern Samar could better suffice. Oh boy. Look at that. State maps. It's got a maps. Map. Transform the US arrests data. Merge by state region. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this one. We have so many libraries. Good grief. What file type is this? Map the. Transfer the US arrests data to the correct format. Data frame. So we have diok data, maps, Aaron library, install packages. Anyways, at least we cleaned the data, and at least like we're so close yet so far away. It's just the data types that's. There's a very convoluted way to do this. Actually, you can try to cath pop. You can try to do this. Was that convoluted? It's still text. Why? Output name cath pop. It says integer, right? Create new field. Then I think it's numeric num format number. What does format number say? This is Python, as far as I believe. Format number. Is it curly brackets? cathpop1, and it's an integer, and if you see the integer, it's that. Oh, fine, I'm gonna do it like that. Ugh, such a hassle, but if it works, it works. It's virtual. So what do I have to do? I have to do cath pop, tot pop, r cath, priests r cath priest, r priests dr. That's it. Okay, I already did cath pop. Let's go tot pop 1. Tot pop is an integer, yes. So tot pop. Okay. And then r cath is not an integer, so we have to turn it into a double. Yup. So r cath. So that's the ratio, right? R cath 1, r cath. Impression is invalid. Is it like this? R cath? No. R cath? R cath. Why can't I do rcath? The variable. I think it's getting late, you guys. This was just supposed to be a tutorial. Good grief. At least like I'm gonna sign off. Let's see whether we could fix this later.